Well, we can eat that every night.
Okay.
It's delicious.
There's Daddy's new picture. And there's Eric having a delicious meal of pasta.
And there's Boonsy making a mess.
And there's Boonsy enjoying his rice cereal up close and personal.
His first attempt at self-feeding.
He's very good at it.
He's a genius.
He is eating that plate
He's a culinary genius.
like nobody's business. Hiya, Boonsy.
He has my picture.
Mm.
And my picture.
Give everyone a big smile.
Smile, Eric.
Cheese.
And the head of the table. Say cheese, Boonsy.
This is funny.
Say rice cereal.
Right, zero, Boonsy.